Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you my Sephora Savings Event haul. I did go in store the day the sale opened up to Rouge members, and hopefully by the time it opens up to the next round VIB and then Insiders, I should have this video up. So these are all the items I picked up the first day, and then I also placed an online order for the items that weren't available in my local Sephora, and it just arrived, so I'll share that with you. I might end up getting a few more things, so we'll see if there's a round two, but this is just what I got for round one. So I will link the video where I shared all of my recommendations and also what was on my wish list if you want to check that out. So this is just what I ended up getting. So on my lips, I have the Endless Cocoa lip liner from Makeup Forever. I got the Artist Color Pencil Stellar set. There are 5 shades, and I'm wearing Endless Cocoa around my lips. And then I did get the Edam lip balm in their new holiday shade Pain au Chocolat. I think they had 2 holiday shades. One is like a glittery gold. This one is more like a shimmery brown. That's the color. You can see it on here. I'll just swatch it for you. So you can sheer it out, but that's what I have on my lips. I mostly line my lips the whole way. So yeah, Edam. I missed out on the set. I think they do have a like lip balm set, but I just got this, and then I also got the Boba Bounce. So I have 2 lip balms from Edam. I love the formula. I love the applicator. This set from Glow Recipe. I love all of the lip butter, lip balm, lip oils, especially when they have little mini sets, because I just like to scatter them around and have them in my purse, have them in my drawers throughout the house. So I have the Glass Balm mini lip collection from Glow Recipe. This comes with 4 scents. We have ice, watermelon, strawberry, and blackberry. And then I also have from Glow Recipe, this is their new serum, the Prickly Pear Peptide Mucin. This is supposed to be like a vegan option if you're interested in trying out the snail mucin that's been very popular for skincare, but you want a vegan option. This one is a nice alternative, a nice vegan alternative. So it smells like prickly pear. It's supposed to make your skin bouncy and smooth. I love Glow Recipe. It's got a little pump. I'll do a full try on if you guys want. I don't know if I'll be able to swatch or to try everything just because I have a lot here. Okay. I couldn't resist. I wasn't planning on getting this, and then when I went in store, I did end up picking this up because it's just so adorable. This is the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm mini set. The Lip Butter Balm minis. It's got 4. I love the sweet mint flavor. So you have vanilla beige, pink guava, cherry, and sweet mint. So I love these little mini sizes because they're great to stick in your, if you have a belt bag or even just in your pocket. Sometimes I don't want to have an actual purse or anything. Like if I'm walking my dog, I like to just stick a little mini lip butter balm in my pocket without having to carry a bag. These were the 2 items I ordered online. The Oribe Royal Blowout Heat Styling Spray. I started off with just the mini size, but if you watched my recommendations video, I talked about how I went to a YouTube event and Jennifer, her username is All Feisty, she had the most beautiful blowout and she recommended the Oribe Royal Blowout Spray. They have a larger size, so I'm just going to start off with the smaller one. So I got that, very excited to try it out. And then this is the refillable dry shampoo. This actually comes with a little brush to dab it into your hair. And this is why I get very excited when the sale comes around, and I didn't do my research because I didn't realize that they had a holiday set. So I went ahead and ordered the set because it's a better value. So I recommended the dry shampoo, but they actually have this new holiday set for the event, or I guess in general for the holidays. This is the Crown Affair, the Hair Refresh Ritual. So you get a full size. So you get this, the full size dry shampoo, comes with a little brush. You also get a mini of the leave-in conditioner, which I also was eyeing and I wanted to try. And then they throw in a little scrunchie. So it's the same price as just the full-size dry shampoo. So I was like, I had already gotten this. So I ordered this online. I don't know if I'm going to return this. I might just keep both. But that is a much better value if you're interested in the Crown Affair dry shampoo. Go ahead and pick up the Hair Refresh Ritual set because you get the full-size dry shampoo and the leave-in conditioner and a scrunchie. Before I forget, I want to give a huge thank you to Sephora for sponsoring this video. Everything I talk about will be linked in the description below. I'll try to organize it by categories. I'll also link in my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on my Instagram at Heated Mess, and also follow me here on YouTube because some of the items are very popular and they have already sold out from my first video. Like the YSL Oasis face palette has sold out. If it restocks, I will definitely let you guys know so you can grab it before the sale is over. But thank you to Sephora for partnering me on this video. Everything from Sephora collection is 30% off regardless of your tier if you use the code everything. This is the Sephora Holy Sheet Mask collection. This has 20 masks. It is a value of $94, but this retails for $50. And then on top of that, you get 30% off regardless of your tier, whether you're VIB or Insider or Rouge. So you get the 20 masks. And let me tell you, I go through all of these masks. I love especially the foot mask. I love the hand mask. Do they have a hand mask on here? Yeah, hand mask. They have the blackhead removers. So this is something that if you want to have like a spa night, you know, once in a while, you need to treat yourself, do some self-care. I love that this year it comes with this really cute little glittery bag with a little pom-pom. So cute. This is also a great option if you want to break it up and then you can stick a mask if you are doing like stocking stuffers. Great option to break up these value sets and gift or, you know, stocking stuffers for your friends and family. So for me, I might give out some, but I usually end up going through all of the masks during the year. So great time to pick it up when it's 30% off of the retail price, $50, but it's a value of $94. So that is the Sephora Holy Sheet Mask collection. And then because Sephora collection is 30% off, I always recommend checking out the Sephora Pro brushes. I pretty much have all of them already. And then for the holiday event, they usually come out with a pro brush set. This year, it's really nice because it has, I think it's an 8-piece brush set, and then it comes with a travel case that closes and it snaps closed. I've gifted the pro brush set. I'll link my favorite brushes in the description below. I know my favorite is the number 64. I use this for foundation, for cream, highlighter, all over my face. I didn't get the Sephora Pro brush set this year, although it's a great value because it's 30% off, but I did get this brush set. This is from Makeup by Mario. This is the Makeup by Mario 5-piece travel face brush set and case. So these are all specifically face brushes, not eyeshadow brushes. But I like that these are travel size because when I travel, I try not to have bulky, long, full-size brushes as much as I can. So these are all the brushes that come with the set. I like when these brush sets have a designated case. So here is the little, oh, it's nice and soft. Perfect. I love soft-sided cases for travel because the last thing you need is a hard-sided brush case that is bulky and taking up space in your luggage. It says Makeup by Mario there. And then perfect size brushes, nice and short. And then it has another little pocket over on this side and little loops for each brush. This is a great set because then you can stick your other, like your smaller eyeshadow or eye brushes here. And it's perfect. Okay. His brushes are super soft too, so really excited. Okay, great value. So for me, I'm Rouge, so I got 20% off of this. So even with the 20% off versus the 30% off of the Sephora collection, this set is still less than the Sephora Pro Brush set this year. So anyway, I had to get this one by Makeup by Mario. And then I forgot to mention this. This is the Honey Water Bomb Deep Hydration Body Mist. This is one that I heard about on, I think, TikTok or something. It got a lot of good reviews. I'm new to the Honey brand. I haven't tried anything from here, but I like innovative new types of products, like new categories. And this is a water bomb. It's supposed to be used right after the shower. So while your skin is still kind of moist, you spray this, I guess, all over your skin, and it's supposed to help keep your skin moisturized. I don't really know, but that's my thing, is just body care, skin care. I just like to retain, I have dry skin. It's, you know, the winter's coming up. So I just wanted to try this out, but this got a lot of great reviews. And, you know, when you're done with the shower or the bath, that's like a crucial time for locking in moisture. So I was like, okay, that actually makes sense. Instead of constantly slathering myself in lotion, like lock it in right after you're done in the shower. So I'll keep you guys updated. Let me know if you guys have tried this brand. I haven't tried them. I haven't heard much about them, but if this works out for me, then maybe I'll check out the rest of their collection. And then also from Makeup by Mario, I love that this is signed, or it looks like it's signed by him. This is the newest Makeup by Mario eyeshadow palette. It's the Ethereal Eyes Nature palette. And this is the one that he comes out with a new color scheme of this, I believe, every year. Nature is more, you know, green themed. It's got some olives, neutrals in here. Very pretty. I've been really into greens and olives lately. I have a new suede olive bag. I have some green shoes. Try to switch it up. I wear a lot of blue and pink and now burgundy. So I think the burgundy would go well with the olive. Love the formula of Makeup by Mari eyeshadow palettes. And another eyeshadow palette I forgot to mention. This is also a Sephora collection product. So you get 30% off of this. It's the Sephora Mini Mix palette. I actually got this before the sale, but I love the colors of this. So it looks like this. It's very tiny, so perfect for travel. This is called the Boss Berry shade. It's just a nice neutral shade, but this is what got me. This looks very similar to the Urban Decay Solstice Duochrome that I like to use. Isn't that so pretty? 30% off. Oh my gosh, I love it. So yeah, check it out. So don't sleep on the Sephora collection. They have some good face products, eyeshadows. You know, just check it out. It doesn't get a lot of praise, but 30% off. Now is the time to check it out. This is the Mini Mix palette in the shade Boss Berry. Like, it's just the perfect neutral colors for me with the duochrome. And they have a few different shades. And it's affordable. I think this is like $10 or $12. And then you get 30% off. Okay, and then sticking with eyeshadow palettes, I had to get the new Danessa Myricks Beauty Lightwork Volume 7 Freedom palette. I own all of her Lightwork palettes. So those are like her holiday limited edition palettes. And then this year it is in the form of her Freedom palette, which is so innovative the way she has it designed. So this is how it comes packaged. It's in bubble wrap. And then you also get this magnetic smaller pouch to store the smaller palettes. And then here is the actual palette. I should have opened this up beforehand, but now you get a true unboxing. So it comes in this packaging. Here is the outer package. The top comes off completely, and then the colors are all right here. These are all of the colors. They're grouped by families. But what's great about this is you can actually pop out these individual palettes, the 3 palettes, and then even within the 3 smaller palettes, you can pop out the individual shades. I'm not going to do that right now. But then the top of the cover, the smaller part of the cover, can be used as a lid for the smaller palette. These are the shades you want to travel with. You pop this on, it's magnetic, and then you stick the whole thing in the provided pouch. And then you can even stack the other palettes. So you have these 2 smaller palettes. You can stack it on top of each other like so. So you have 1, 2, 3, and then you have a nice little compact stack, and then the whole stack fits into here. So I'll do like swatches and, you know, try on of the whole palette, but I just love the way this is set up. It's so cool because I just tend not to use these larger palettes because they're so big and bulky, and I just don't have room in my travel makeup bag. But now that they can be compact like this, I definitely plan on bringing this. So this is the Danessa Myricks Lightwork Volume 7 Freedom palette. I love the way the packaging is, and then on top of that, the actual colors and the formula is amazing. We jump to skincare. I had to pick up this set from Caudalie. They have 2 sets. Actually, I mean, they have a few sets, but specifically the Caudalie Vino Perfect. If you are looking for this, they have 2 different sets that you can get this where I'm pretty sure, yeah, the whole price of this is $82, which is the price of just the serum alone. But this set comes with the Caudalie SPF 50 Vino Sun Protect sunscreen. And then the other set, which I've gotten in the past, is a full size of the Vino Perfect. So the same price, $82. And then you also get an eye cream and then a face cream. I had to get this one because I wanted to check out the SPF, but great value. If you're a fan of the Caudalie Vino Perfect, get this set, and then you get the SPF 50 also. Also skincare related, I had to get the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Eye Patches. This comes with 6, and I love that these are individually packaged. So it comes in this. It's great to stick in your carry-on travel bag. I'm the kind of person that when I fly for my long international flights, I do have eye patches that I wear when I'm sleeping. So we have this. And then I had to check out the Road Beauty eye patches. They just released these. I still recommend the mini Road kit. I got this full price when Road first launched at Sephora, I believe at the end of August or early September. So great value to check out the 4 of their best sellers. And then they came out with these new eye patches, and I have to get it. I'm such a sucker for eye patches. Also individually packaged, and that's what it looks like. Okay, I'll follow up and let you guys know. The reviews on this one were positive. It said that it didn't stick to, like, their hair didn't stick to the eye patches, which is always a good thing. Sometimes with those, like, I forget, cellulose type eye patches, you you know, I have long hair, it'll get stuck and it's just gross. So I need dry eye patches on the outside and keep all the hydration underneath. So that is the Rhode Peptide Eye Prep Depuffing Eye Patches. And then I just wanted to share this set. This is from Dermalogica. They actually just sent this to me in PR. This is the Dermalogica Glow to Go Mini Favorites set. I don't think Sephora has this specific set. They do have a few different sets from Dermalogica. I really like their cleansing gel and I like their daily microfoliant. This one comes with the pre-cleanse. You have the special cleansing gel and then the daily micro exfoliant. So if you're a fan of Dermalogica, now is a great time to pick up these value sets. I'll link the two that are available at Sephora in the description. From Huda, I had to get this new blush lighters palette. I got it in the baby pink shade. I'm so excited for this. I love her face products. Look at the palette. Very cool. This one came in 3 shades and I got the little baby pink. It's like this nice bright pink. And then I'm eyeing the next one. It's like peach. And then there's one that's more mauve toned, but it's very pretty. Let's see. I'll swatch these two for you. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that. Very pigmented. Let's do this like duochrome shade. Wow, okay. Very nice. In the past, I've kind of shied away from these baby pink tones, but I think they look so pretty. Even when I'm tan, I think, you know, as long as you blend them in, it really brightens your face. So very excited to try this out. This is the Huda Beauty Blush Filter Palette, blurring blush lighters in the shade Baby Pink.